Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the truth about the Tello. Today I want to find out how fast is it? And as usual, if you are looking for answers to this question, then you will discover other questions as well. So but more about that later. At first, let's see how fast I can fly this thing. I have practiced flying microquads in that size for years. I'd consider myself an above average pilot. So if you are not really practiced in flying tiny quads outside, then I would not recommend to do at home what you see me doing here. As soon as you just clip a branch, it will shut itself off and smack into the ground. Ouch! That didn't sound good. I think it crashed. Let's go and have a look. It just said something in Chinese on the screen. Where is it? Somewhere here. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, looks like the battery has ejected. And what? What? Also, a motor has ejected. How can that happen? Where is it? Must be somewhere here. Huh. I can't see it. And you know, this is Funnel Web Wonderland. Don't really want to walk barefoot to the jungle. Just gone. I can't believe it. I've crashed so many similar quads, and yes, you know, sometimes the motors break, but they don't just disappear. I contacted Ryze support about this, and they replied that I should buy a new Tello because they don't make any spare parts for this quad. So yeah, that was pack 3 through the Tello. And at this stage, I'm not sure if there's gonna be a pack 4. Just kidding, I do have a backup. See you in pack 4.